Hi, I'm Claude Herrmann, manager of Fortius Fine Art Storage and Logistics. Today I would like to talk to you about security and also insurance in the context of the Luxembourg Freeport. The first level of security for Fortius is discretion, confidentiality and professional secrecy. This means that we will never disclose any information on our clients or on the artwork stored with us at the Freeport. Our team has been specifically trained to only communicate with those people that have been designated by each client, for example, to ask for inventories, receive orders, or organize transports into and out of our storage. This also means that inside Fortius, information is only disclosed on a need-to-know basis because not everybody needs to have the same level of information on each client and their collection. The second aspect is physical security and technical installations. This obviously means that we have perfect preservation conditions inside our storage, as we've seen in a previous video. But this also means that the building was built to the latest specifications with the highest grade materials. We have a 3-meter high wall on the outside topped with barbed wire. We have limited access points with controls 24/7. And the building is obviously equipped with the latest technical gizmos such as high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, movement detectors. We have biometric fingerprint controls and cards to limit access to the different areas. All the security installations, technical equipment and preservation conditions have a positive impact on our insurance risk rating and also on the premiums that are paid by our clients. The building is split into several so-called fire zones, and each of these fire zones acts as a virtual individual building with its own insurance capacity. This, together with the fact that we only opened in 2014, means that we have very little issue with accumulation of value. In global, the insurance capacity of the Luxembourg Freeport is virtually unlimited, and as I've already mentioned, the insurance premiums paid by our clients are the lowest in the market. If you want to learn more about the security systems or about our proposals for insurance, then feel free to consult our website or schedule a call with me to discuss your specific requirements.